A PET-CT scan is a diagnostic test which combines physiology and anatomy. Physiology, meaning function, is care of the PET part, and anatomy, pertaining to structure, is the function of the CT part. What that means is a PET-CT scan is actually a combination of two different things, a combination of two different modalities. The positron emission tomography or PET component of the scan is the one responsible for showing us the metabolic activity in the body. Tissues or areas in the body which have a high glucose uptake will light up. The brain has a high requirement for glucose and therefore will light up in this PET scan. Suspiciously, however, we also see that there is an area of high metabolic activity, of high glucose uptake in this right paracardiac area, which is possibly a tumor. This is the reason why a PET scan is useful for diagnosing and screening metabolically active metastases and malignancies among cancer patients. However, it is clear from this PET scan that the resolution, the structures are quite blurred. Hence, enter the CT component, the CT part of the PET-CT scan. The computed tomography or CT component of the scan simultaneously, meaning at the same time, shows us exactly where the areas which lit up, the areas with high metabolic activity are located. Therefore, by combining the previous PET part with this CT component, we can see that the area of high metabolic activity is truly in the right paracardiac area, specifically a suspicious area of lung tissue, which is suspicious for a malignancy.